For most of the last decade, business intelligence meant one thing. An analyst built a dashboard, a business user opened it, and if they had a follow-up question, they waited 24 to 72 hours for a new report. That cycle is over. The augmented analytics market hit $31.19 billion in 2026, growing at 30.4% per year because AI can now find the insight before you think to ask. But most organizations are deploying it wrong. Here's the plain English framework to get it right. Augmented analytics is not one capability, it's 4 distinct layers. Layer 1, natural language query. You type a question in plain English, you get a governed answer from live data in seconds. Layer 2, automated insight generation. AI scans your data proactively, surfaces anomalies, and pushes insights to you before you ask. Tableau Pulse lives here. Layer 3, AI-assisted data preparation. AI automates data cleaning, schema mapping, and formula creation. Power BI Copilot automates 80% of DAX formula creation. Layer 4, Agentic Analytics. AI agents proactively build analyses and surface risks without any human query. Genuine Layer 4 is still early stage in 2026. The 2026 AI analytics market has split into 2 clean arcs. Arc 1, natural language on top of the warehouse. Ask a question in English. thoughtspot Spotter is the most advanced NLQ for non-technical users. Power BI Copilot automates report generation, but audit your license tier before any rollout. Arc 2, AI-assisted analyst workspaces. Tools like Julius AI and Hex, where code meets conversation for smaller analytics teams without heavy infrastructure. Here is what every vendor demo omits. Augmented analytics platforms return answers from your semantic model, not from raw data. If your metric definitions are inconsistent, AI will return different answers to the same question. The data quality reality is non-negotiable. AI amplifies what's there. Microsoft 365 Shop with Power BI. Start with Copilot. Audit your license. Tableau Cloud Organization. Enable Pulse immediately. It is already included. The organizations winning in 2026 are not the ones who deployed fastest. They are the ones who built governance first and let AI compound on foundation. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz. It really helps us grow.